Holy! Oh, that was a big one. Mm, mm, mm. Big bloody storm just rolled in. Lightning looks like as bright as the sun. Like, look at that. Just first one's the most biggest one that I've seen. Mm, mm, mm. Now. It's okay, puppy. You must be scared. It's okay. Oh, that was bright. I'm getting flashbang. Oh, oh, I love this. Watching it. Oh, it takes it away. My window all the way up. Oh. Mm, 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 mm. Holy shoot! That was bright as the sun, bro. That was so bright. That lit up everything. God. And another one. Holy. I want to hear a massive crack. I can hear a massive bang. It's okay, I'm right here. I want to hear a really big one. Holy! That's gotta be loud. Where's the cracking sound? Here's Poppy. Oh! Whoa. I mean, the rain slowed down. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, pretty bright. Crack. I think my entire yard is flooded right now. I can see from the light marks of all the light sets in my garden. I can see. Whoa! Yep, it's flooded. It's got lots of water in it. Crack! That was tiny. I want to see a really... I want to hear a massive bang. I really want to hear a massive bang right now. Please give me a massive bang. Come on, big crack, big crack. Okay. Oh, please be big. Come on. Come on, I want everyone to see a massive one. Please. Bruh. Please be big already. I want a massive one. Not a tiny one. I want a massive bang. Or like just a... Like I want it to be really loud. Like a massive crack. Come on. Oh, it smells so good. Come on, come on, come on. Really big one. Mm, 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 mm. Don't tell me it's gone away. Oh, oh, the rain's picking up. The rain's picking up. Oh my god. I want to hear him. Oh, big crack, big crack. I want to hear that. Oh, I got like this chocolate pudding thing. It's the best. Crab. It's all good. Mm, mm, mm. What is it? I would love to see massive bang. As she walks by. What was that? I swear I just saw something in the clouds over there. Is there like no bang to this lightning? What is that? Peter Griffin. Peter Griffin. Marco. Holy flip! That was a tiny bang. I said it is so freaking cloudy. Why is it so... Don't tell me it's just cleaned up. No way. It was so bloody cloudy. I can't even see that mountain. Come on, give me some lightning. Show me some. Let me hear a massive bang. Or a small one. I just want to see some lightning. Yep, it is friggin' cloudy. This is a person that has their full beams on, and you can. Holy! No, it's actually so cloudy. Or is it? No, that's just the. That's how much rain is just falling right now. It looks cloudy, but it's actually not. That's confusing me. But damn. That is freaky. Small lightning usually means big crack. Sometimes. R.I.P. that people. R.I.P. that. Come on. I want a really big one. One that'll light up the sky. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a really bright light in the background, and it's like going around in circles. And when it faces me, it looks like it's like really cloudy, and it looks like it's really foggy. There's like someone's car that's driving. It's usually the white dot or something that's moving. Show me some light. Holy shit! I saw that. I saw that through the sky. That's. Nah. Gee, that was weird. Hot. That's right. The square. Where does the cylinder go? Also the square. I want thunder that's really, really, really loud. Now. Please. Please. Is it? Come on. Come on. I want to see some lightning. Lightning. As she walks by, I watch her eyes as she walks by. She walks by. Whoo! Please be big. Alright. Seems like there's not gonna be any big cracks, so I'm just gonna end it. I'm just gonna end it there. Hope you guys have a great day, and hope you enjoyed watching the storm with me. Bye bye.